means it's recording. Stop it, Mary, stop. You don't smack it on back and thing. You'll have to go like that.
Hello. You are watching Skylar. She looks weird.
You should really turn the camera around so they can see your face. What do I care?
Hey, you are watching.
I love this song.
What?
I am not locked down.
You're watching Skylar. He looks weird. I don't know about him. Encore. He doesn't know how to work the camera. Are you videotaping
And then
me,
you just press
Skylar?
the red button to stop it.
Skylar, why are you videotaping me and Hannah? You look weird. Why are you doing that?
He's crushing us.